guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kamani. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, how your mama, how your cousin doing? Today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean and decorate with me for my bathroom. And I'm just showing you guys a preview of my dirty old bathroom. Don't judge. As a disclaimer, I am not a professional, so I will be using my own preference of cleaning products, and I will be combining a few. So there you have it. Alright, so guys, as you can see, the bathroom is it's not as dirty, but it's pretty atrocious, especially the closet here. I am going to be just redoing this whole little closet. You guys will see if you stay towards the end. I'm first starting off by cleaning off the counter, getting everything that needs to be off of it so that I can go ahead and take my Clorox disinfectant wipes and wipe the counter down. Okay guys, so at this point I was going to attempt to put marble over my countertop, but then I decided against it only because my decor is going to be marble, black and gray, or white, black and gray. So I did decide against not doing the countertops. Here I'm just taking my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaning spray and just cleaning off my counters and inside of my sink. I do go in between the knobs as well as turn the faucet on to go ahead and give it a final wipe down, and then we move on to the toilet. Now I'm using my Mr. Clean Deep Cleansing Mist. It's called Clean Freak and it's in the scent of lemon. I also did take a bottle of Fabuloso, poke a hole in it, and turn it upside down behind the toilet so that when you flush, it gives you a refreshing scent instead of that old nasty toilet bowl smell. And then now I'm going to be taking the gel cleanser, the by Clorox, and some Comet, and just scrubbing the toilet clean. Moving on to the bathtub. So this tub is dirty after the kids had a long day of playing outside. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Mr. Clean Freak Deep Cleansing Mist along with a Comet and combine those two to clean my bathroom. Now, other than the tub, I am going to wash the walls of the shower as well, just to make sure that I get a better cleansed tub and shower so there's no soap scum or anything else left in the tub. Alright guys, on to the closet. As you guys can see, stuff is literally thrown everywhere. So my idea is basically to create a spa-like vibe in my restroom linen closet. That way you'll feel like you're at some type of resort or Airbnb whenever you walk into my restroom. So let's go ahead and get started with getting all this stuff out and just rearranging it. Now that the bathroom closet is all clean, now it's time to go ahead and start arranging towels and other items within the closet itself. Alright, so as I told you guys before, I do like the spa-like theme in the bathroom linen closet. So I'm starting off with some pre-rolled towels that I rolled myself, and just aligning them within the corner of this section here in the bathroom. Now I'm adding a decorative tray onto the bathroom shelf just so I can put some additional pieces in here. Now with the spa-like theme, I did want to go ahead and add some greenery and leave me a comment below if you would like to know where I got this succulent from. I did also add my favorite perfumes that I like to use on the daily basis, so it's easy access after my shower. Okay guys, I did want to apologize in advance. While I was decorating the second shelf with the towels and tissue, I did not lean the camera down a little further so that you guys can see, so I am out of frame, but I am going to adjust the camera frame so that you guys can see the decorations. So on the second shelf, I do have tissue on both sides. I did create kind of like a pyramid with those. And then I have the extra washcloths that you use for your shower in the middle of the shelf at the bottom. Now onto the top shelf, I am adding some additional towels at the top. That way you don't necessarily have to mess with the little pyramid. You can go for the ones that are at the top. And I am just adding those along the center of the rack. Now moving on to the sink, I'm going to be placing my toothbrush inside of a marble toothbrush holder, and then I'm also going to be going ahead and exchanging a old soap that I used to use during Christmas time, and I'm going to be putting it into the new marble soap container that I have now. Here I'm taking my marble tray that I got from Home Goods. If you have not seen that video, I will link it in the info cards. But I'm just going to be placing my most used essentials on this tray here and sitting it in the corner of my bathroom counter. Next, I'm going to be taking this two-piece rug set that I got from Tuesday morning, and I'm going to be going ahead and putting this down. It is a memory foam, so you don't get any water or anything on the floor. Moving on to the toilet, I didn't do much decorating here. I'm just placing some flushable wipes on the back of the toilet seat. I did already put the Fabuloso on the inside of the toilet, and I am going to add a trash can and a rug on the floor. Onto the shower, I did go ahead and add a shower caddy. Now I'm just placing my most used essentials for my bath time or my shower time into the shower caddy. I do use my She Ready Yoni Shower Gel by the Pretty Glow Effect often, every time I get in the shower, so that's what I'm putting there. And then I am going to be putting a few more body polishes on the shelf as well. Okay guys, so now I am just putting in a new clear shower liner into the shower, and I'm using the same hooks that I used previously. After this, I am going to be putting in another tension rod. It's going to be a black matte tension rod I did get from Home Goods, and this is going to hold my waffle pattern shower curtain. I am putting that tension rod higher than the pre-existing shower curtain rod. That way it'll appear as if the ceilings are taller, and I'm going to pair them up with my fabulous curtain hooks. And now for the final reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've made it this far, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, always remember, be blessed, stay beautiful, and stay great. Bye. See you in the next video. Peace.